In this video, we're going to talk about the menu widget. Now, the menu widget allows you to create a menu system on any window. It's a little bit different from other widgets that you've seen before, but I'll show you how. All right, so we're going to start by creating with this create menu function here. And this is just creating the basic menu on the root widget. And we don't need to specify any text because it's not going to show any text. And then from there, we add different menu drop-down boxes to the base menu. We're going to create one that is called File, another that's called Tools, and another called Help. So we call Create Menu, and we just specify the text and the parent. And that returns a submenu. And then from there, we're going to use that as the parent to create individual menu items. New, open, save. You could probably guess what those do. And you'll notice like every single time we're not specifying any position or size for the menu widget because that's all done automatically. Let's run this and see what happens. So this bar across the top up here, this is our base menu. That's the base menu widget. And then File, Tools, Help, when we click on one of these, this window opens and we can see all of the items that we placed in the menu. So this up here, this base menu, this is a menu. Each one of these items is a menu. And then each one of these items is a menu. And we can parent menus to menus, and that's how we get a pop-open submenu like that. And we can add more levels in this hierarchy if we want to. When we click an item, we can have some different behavior coded depending on which menu item was clicked. And we can also check and uncheck a menu item. Let's take a look back at the code. So when a menu is selected by the user, the widget action event is emitted. And depending on the event source, that's the menu item that we clicked on, we can make different file dialogues or system dialogues and perform different actions based on which item was selected. Here's that menu option, the option menu that I showed you. And what this is saying is if the item is selected, then deselect it. And if it's otherwise, you should select it. That's how that checkbox was appearing and disappearing.